we'll guide you through how to change the frame rate in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you're in the application, you need to go to the File menu located at the top left of the screen. Click on Project Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings for your project. In the Project Settings window, you'll see a section labeled Timeline Format. Here, you can set your desired timeline frame rate. Click on the drop-down menu next to Timeline Frame Rate and choose the frame rate you want for your project. Remember that this is the rate at which your timeline will play and export. If you also want to change the playback frame rate, you can do so in the Playback Frame Rate drop-down right below it. Make sure to match these frame rates if you want consistent playback and export settings. After selecting your preferred frame rates, click Save to apply the changes. It's important to note that you should set your timeline frame rate before adding any media to your project, as changing it afterward can cause issues with your clips. If you need to change it after starting your project, you might need to re-import your media. That's it. You've successfully changed the frame rate in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.